Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not opening. So first you need to go to your settings. Then you need to tap General. Then click iPhone Storage. Then search for TikTok. And I'm gonna need to mention that before you do this step, you need to be aware that your drafts are gonna be gone. So if you don't need them, you can do this step, or if you have them saved, but otherwise don't do this step. So we're gonna just upload the app, and this will free up the storage used by the app, but keep the documents and data. Then you're gonna click reinstall app, and this is basically gonna force update TikTok. You can also just try manually updating your TikTok, going to the App Store, typing in TikTok, and then you're gonna see whether TikTok has an update or not. If you still didn't manage to solve the problem, you're gonna just type into your browser is TikTok down and just go to down detector. And if you see a spike at the time when you're looking at this and you're experiencing this problem, then probably many people reported sudden outage in TikTok. So probably many users have a problem with TikTok, so it's the problem with the app itself, and it's gonna be probably resolved within a couple of hours, so you just need to wait. You can also try to reboot your phone and see if that solved your problem. Alright, so all in all, this is how to fix TikTok not opening.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.